What's up guys, it's Andy from Mirror Image. We just finished up this G-Wagon 4x4 square. Not quite done, but we're pretty close and he's got to take it. So have a peek around and see what you think and we'll go from there. We got a 4-door Jeep Wrangler here that we finished up. We did in the 3M Satin Keywest. Looks really good on the Jeep, left a bunch of black accents as the customer requested, and see what you think and have a look around.
Well, we got our new branded shirts.
Nice!
Got sweaters, couple sweaters. We got t-shirts, we got long sleeves here. We also got a really nice design on the back.
No.
Oh, they have kids hoodies too?
Down here.
Boom!
Those look great.
Yeah, they look awesome. Available for purchase in store.
Especially for this one.
Yeah, show a couple off.
So are you divvying them out? Yes.
Let's see. Do a little.
Yeah, that's
Cool.
good. It's really good. We're all gonna match.
Do all the shirts and stuff have it on the back too?
Everything.
Dude, I'm stoked for these sleeves. Look at that. Again.
Paint protection film protects the paint from UV rays and rock chips and harsh abrasions such as brush washing. Just really good for overall protection and care of the vehicle, and it's got about a 5-year warranty on it. You can upgrade to the 10-year and that just gives you a better lifespan. Great alternative to doing any ceramic coatings or anything like that, and it just gives you full protection of the vehicle. High-end supercars, track guys, people that run over the Coquihalla during the winter, kind of anybody who's going to run on the highway, you know, and even summer, spring is just a protection from all those little rocks and rash and sand and all that gravel and stuff that kicks up onto the vehicle and kind of keeps the value of the vehicle high. So when you do go to trade it in, you have that protection. You can always pull it off and the vehicle will look brand new underneath.
Alright, so this is the program that we use to print the paint protection film. It has a large database of cars here, and if we wanted to print a hood, fender, mirror kit, click on it here. Boom.